Dear students of class Earth, I am going to start today the lesson chapter 5, that is the coal and petroleum. The coal and petroleum, they are natural resources. So actually what do we mean by natural resources? Now the things which is provided by nature to us and which are very useful to us are known as the natural resources. These natural resources are two kinds. One is the exhaustible natural resources, other is inexhaustible natural resources. So about very much clear is meaning. Exhaustible though can be exhausted after using, and inexhaustible like the sun energy, this energy of air, water and all you can use in longer periods. So such type of natural resources are inexhaustible. Now next is the fuel. Fuel is of that substance which give us energy after burning, like coal, paper, LPG, CNG and all. You are using many times and they give us energy. After using them you are doing many work. Now next is the fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are remains of plants and animals, those who have been buried deep inside the earth. It has been believed the coal-like substance, it was buried by the forest underneath the earth 3 to 400 million years ago. After doing the mines work, digging it, we are taking out the coals out from mines, and we are getting generally three kinds of coal, that is the bituminous, lignite and peat. There are three kinds of coal. According to the percentage you can say they are being used in various purposes. So after this we will come to the here, that is the byproducts of the coal. Once you will do the destructive distillation of coal, you will get some byproducts also, like coke, coal gas, coal tar, ammonia, etc. Here in this chart various usage of them has been given. According to that they are being useful. Again come to here usage of coal given. You can read it well and go through what are the various usage of the coals. Now the here petroleum. Petroleum is also a liquid substance we found deep inside the earth with as a crude oils. While it is coming out, it is going in again in refineries, and after doing this fractional distillation, again we are getting many byproducts from this which are being used for various purpose given in the bottom. Now once you will come to know these things, you will come to the other things, that is the next thing that will tell you about. After petroleum, this one usage of petroleum, it is generally used for our vehicles and all. In fractional distillation, whatever you are getting byproduct, that is also being used. Now in some area in our country like Digboi in Assam, Mathura refinery are famous refinery where fractional distillation is being done. Now the natural gas generally comes on CNG. The CNG is being used at your kitchen for cooking and for various purposes. Once you are burning these fuels, they are hazards of this. They make pollution in the air. That's why we are affected with pollution. So we can use less these products, so we cannot create pollution in the nature. Now our responsibility, so save the petrol and diesels, whatever products and their natural resources, those who are exhaustible, for longer periods, so our next generation will also get it, and they should not be depend upon other resources. So you use it wisely, so our next generation will be also useful. Here the various points given, how will you save the energy which are exhaustible. Now the keywords, points to remember, you can read here. I will give you exercises and question answer later on.